Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we about to be doing a review on this Melanin Queen crimp lace wig. It is a human hair mix in the color 1. It comes with a 5-inch deep lace part, baby hairs, and you can switch the part around. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe. If you already subscribed, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in with another video with me, keeping you ladies fine, one tutorial at a time, guys. This wig retailed for $79 if I'm not mistaken, but it was 30% off on top of the price, so I ended up paying I think like $54 or $44. So it was worth it. It was worth the price, y'all. This wig was so soft. I love it. Okay, so right here, the wig was actually too small for my head, so I'm having a little bit of difficulty positioning it. I did cut most of the lace off, so that also was a issue, trying to get it to stay on, but it's gonna get fixed. As you guys can see right here coming up, it's gonna be too small. So I would have had to put the wig so far back for it to fit, guys. Look at this. But it's gonna get fixed. I never really tried jet black hair, but honestly, I loved it on this wig, and it's probably my new favorite color. I look at black as basic, so I never really do black, but this right here is popping. So right here, I'm just spraying Got to Be spray on the part so it can lay flat. I didn't really want to put heat to the wig because I didn't want to mess up the texture or anything like that. And of course, I didn't need to style it because it already came styled. So just putting the Got to Be spray and blow drying it, it made the part, you know, just more flat and uniformed. So yeah. Now I'm about to go in with that same cream foundation and I'm just about to put it along my part. I did go back in and put foundation to that little part to the top where my scarf was covering. I don't know if you guys can tell, but in the front. Yeah, that is it for today's video. I did insert some clips after I got through. Like I said, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are subscribed, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in with another video with Kera Dior. Keeping you ladies fine, one tutorial at a time, period. Bye guys.